Hi there. In this update, we'll take you on a quick tour of Valtrack V4, our new GPS tracker built around the ESP32-C3 microcontroller. At its core is the ESP32-C3, a powerful chip with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. It's paired with a 2.4 GHz chip antenna and clocked with a 40 MHz crystal oscillator. Power comes from the RT9080 regulator, which ensures stable current for wireless operation. For motion detection, we use the LIS3DH accelerometer. 2 buttons are provided, one for reset, and another for use during firmware flashing. The tracker accepts a 12-volt vehicle input, protected by a reverse polarity diode and a fuse. Voltage is stepped down by the TPS54240 switching regulator, then regulated to 4 volts by the MP2617 charger IC. A 3.7V lithium battery provides backup power when the main supply is disconnected. Power to the SIM7672G cellular module is managed by a MOSFET, allowing the system to shut it off when no motion is detected, conserving energy. The SIM7672G module also provides GNSS location tracking, using its built-in receiver. We include a Pulse W3225 passive patch antenna, but there's also a U.FL connector for optional external antennas. If an active antenna is needed, the board can be configured accordingly. There are 3 RGB LEDs for status indication, power, network, and GPS fix. These are WS2812 LEDs, daisy-chained, and driven by a single ESP32 pin to conserve valuable I/O. They're only powered when the cellular module is active. The ESP32-C3 comes with 4 MB of internal flash, and the firmware is built using the ESP-IDF with FreeRTOS. We support protocols like MQTT, TCP, UDP, and HTTP. Bluetooth range is around 10 to 15 meters, ideal for configuring the tracker locally using a smartphone. That's all for this update. Thanks for following the development of Valtrack V4. We're excited to bring you more in the next one.